Let's go ahead and take a look at problem 5.1.36. So here what we have is a table of frequencies, a frequency distribution, and we're going to convert that into a probability model by converting those frequencies into probabilities. And so with the frequency, we take that number and divide it by the total amount, and then that gives us our probability. So in this survey, how often do you wear your seatbelt when riding a car driven by someone else? Never, right? People responded never, 0.028, right, percent of the time. And so what we would, or what we say is that this could be also seen as a probability. Here's the probability, but it can also be seen as 2.8%. So out of 100, we expect around 2.8 people, or around 3 people, to say they never wear a seatbelt. And so you take those frequencies and divide it by the total, and that gives you your decimal to the thousandths place, which is 3 decimal places. And so then you have these values here. It is very similar to a relative frequency. Here we're just calling it a probability because we're interpreting the values or these frequencies as probabilities. Then the next piece we have here is to understand this concept of unusual. And so in probability, we say something's unusual, an event is unusual, if it happens less than 5% of the time. So in this case, would it be unusual to find a college student who never wears their seatbelt? And that's never wears their seatbelt, and so the answer would be yes, because the probability of never, the probability of this event is less than 5%.